Hello everybody, my name is Daniel, and this is Fix It Garage.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I used to sound like that. I used to do videos like that. Whoa. Well, what is going on, everybody? It is the 1-year episode of Fix It Garage. And yes, this intro was a little goofy and a little weird, but we're at 1 year. I figured maybe I should do something small to celebrate the fact that we've made it to a year, finally. Yes, yes. Go on. I love the applause. Keep going. Thank you. Thank you. All right, that's enough. Okay, enough goofing off. Let's get into the video. 1 year. 1 year. Crazy. I can honestly say I never thought I would be here still doing this a year later. Once I realized how much work that YouTube really is, I didn't know if I was going to be able to make it. But here we are, a year later, a lot of things done, and we're still going strong. From building race cars to Subaru swap Volkswagens. We've done a lot on this channel in the last year, but we've also just barely scratched the surface. I think right now is the perfect time to play a little montage of what you guys have seen over the last year. So let's go ahead and roll the montage. Looking back, making this video and checking out all the stuff I've done a lot in the last year. I mean, a lot. From building this car to working on that, and many projects in between, including that head gasket job on the lifted Outback for my buddy Tony. There's been a lot that we have done in this garage. Looking at a little bit of data from the channel, we're sitting at 191 subscribers right now, headed towards 200 and beyond. Never thought I would be here. I am so excited that I'm almost to 200 subs, on the way to 1,000. Maybe someday I really can do this full time and do this for a living. Maybe. We'll see. The other thing that I'm super happy about is that my best video right now is sitting at just over 1,600 views. Damn! That's right, 1,600 views at the time of recording this. What? I never thought I'd see 1,600 views on a video, not after how my first few did. From going from 30-ish views to 1,600 on a video? Granted, it's one video, but what? Oh my gosh, I'm blown away. So, thank you everybody for choosing to watch my videos. I cannot believe where we are at right now with view counts and all of that for how small of a channel I really am. There is a lot of cool stuff that I still want to do moving forward. I want to build more cars like the Subaru. I want to take on more crazy projects like the Volkswagen. And I want to do it all while sharing it with you guys and having a ton of fun doing it. I love doing YouTube. It is a lot of hard work, but I love doing it. I love bringing you guys content. I want to learn how to be more entertaining. I want to learn how to be better out in public with recording. Instead of just doing voiceovers or recording in the garage where I talk, I want to be doing it out in public at different events, especially at the autocross events. I get along with everybody there, so I need to start feeling more comfortable with a camera in my face and talking. Hopefully that can become more natural because it will make certain things with YouTube easier later on. But that's enough of that. You guys know that I do this channel for fun. I do this because I enjoy what I do, and I do it to bring you guys the best content that I can. And looking forward, none of that's gonna change. I'm still gonna bring you guys the best quality content that I can with my editing skills and the cars that I can get in here. Hopefully at some point though, we transition from doing friends' cars to building more of my own cars. I've got a few cool little builds that I'd like to do for myself if the funding lines up. Not gonna discuss them because I don't wanna get anybody's hopes up only to destroy them when I can't afford to make things happen. But we will get there, everybody. I will get there someday. Someday I'll be building more of my own cars and then taking them out on crazy driving adventures. One of the biggest reasons why I come in here and I keep working every day is you guys. You guys are the motivation behind what makes me come in here and work hard when I'm not at my day job. I come home from my day job completely exhausted and I'm tired. And the last thing that normal people would want to do is get in front of a camera and work on another car like this. But I know that I want to bring you guys content from this garage. And the only way that content gets made is if I get in here and I get to work. And then I stay up and I edit a video like I'm doing right now. Without you guys watching, without you guys liking and commenting and subscribing and all of those things and sharing the video, I would not still be doing YouTube probably. There were a couple times where I almost gave up, but you guys are amazing. You guys come in with these amazing comments, asking questions, giving compliments, all of those great things which motivate me to come back in the garage every time that I can to make you guys a video and then stay up late and edit it. I want to thank everyone who's watched a video, liked a video, commented, or subscribed. All of you guys are amazing. And to my Instagram followers as well, if you guys are watching this video, thank you for supporting my Instagram page. Thank you for supporting the builds that I do and then put them on Instagram. I'm not the best at updating my Instagram. I will be working on that in the future. There is one more person that I need to thank. This person is very special to me. They are the ones who support me doing this after work. They are the ones who make sacrifices to help me, or they understand that I don't get to spend the time with them that I would love to normally. They understand how much this journey and project means to me, and they support me 110%, even if I do sometimes obsess over it or spend way too much time in here. They help with filming at the autocross events, getting car shots from outside of both my car and everyone else there to make everyone feel included in my videos. They go around and they get people's cars at car shows to make people feel included. They stay up with me while I edit, even if it means they fall asleep on the couch. They stay up and they make sure I don't need any extra help in the garage. They keep track of my schedule. They motivate me. They keep me going. This person means more to me than anyone in the world, and I know she's watching right now. I want to give a huge thank you to my wife. She puts up with a lot from me, especially since I've started doing YouTube, because this is a full-time job. I do it for fun, but with all the work that I have to put in, there are definitely times where it feels like a second job, on top of what I already do working on cars every day at a dealership. And through it all, she has stuck by my side, supported me, and helped me any way that she can. And I cannot thank her enough, but I can thank her in this video. So thank you, honey, for all that you do and for being there, supporting and helping me. Without you, some of the stuff that I'm doing, actually, a lot of the stuff that I'm doing either wouldn't happen or wouldn't be possible. You are truly amazing. I cannot ever thank you enough. If you guys watched all the way to the end, I have one more surprise for you guys. If you live in the Pacific Northwest region, or if you're gonna be in the Northwest region on August 1st, yes, August 1st, you can see myself and the Subaru at the Big Northwest Subaru Meet at Portland International Raceway on August 1st. There will be other YouTubers there. There will be tons of Subarus there. Go get your tickets online, link down below. August 1st, I will be autocrossing at Big Northwest. You guys are not gonna wanna miss it. I will be walking around during the lunch break, checking out everyone's cars. Come by, say hi, take videos of my car out on track and other people's, send them to my Instagram. My Instagram right here, fixitgarage, fix_it_garage, but instead of an E, we got a 3. Be sure to tag me in any videos you get of this car out on the autocross track, and I will give you guys a shout out later on after I get home from the event. Be sure to go check out all the other cars there and say hi to the other YouTubers that are gonna be there. Give them the love and support that they deserve coming out to these events. With that being said, guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to smash that like button, leave comments down below, don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell so you guys get notified when my next video goes live. There will not be another video this week. This week, I'm gonna be busy getting this car ready for Big Northwest Subaru Meet, so stay tuned for multiple videos next week of both this and this. That's right, we're gonna be making more progress on the Volkswagen. I've got new parts sitting right here. I've got wiring that's gone into the car. You guys are not gonna wanna miss it. Once again, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.